So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if it won't be here.
So, you guys can tell it is raining. I just uploaded my vlogmas day 4. So, yeah. Now I'm heading into work. I'm late. It's about to be 1 o'clock, so I'm late for work. I had to upload that video though. That way I don't have to do it later. Well, I could have done it later, but I figured, hey, why not just upload it, you know? So, yeah, it is rainy. But do you guys like rainy days? I like rainy days sometimes, but like it's kind of funny. Like I like rainy days and I don't like rainy days because sometimes rainy days makes me feel like sad. Well, not depressed, but just sad. Like I like the rain. I love water, I guess you can say. I'm a water baby, but since I'm feeling kind of like sick, like of course I don't want to be in the rain. So yeah, and I bet you guys are wondering, like, how do you walk the dogs in the rain? Well, it's kind of hard because Jack, the boy, he's very he doesn't like the rain. He doesn't like it at all, so it's kind of difficult to walk him. He's the type of dog, like, I don't want to go out, it's raining, type of thing, you know, so, yeah, that's just why I don't like rainy days sometimes when I go to work, because, he doesn't want to go. He's, like, very picky, like, yeah, I don't want to go in the rain, I don't want to get wet, kind of thing, like a cat doesn't want to get wet. He's the same way, he doesn't want to get wet, so... I don't know how this is gonna work out. So we'll see. Just as I thought, guys. The dogs would not want to go outside. Well, I knew Jack wasn't going to. Molly, well, she was kind of hesitant, but she didn't want to either. She's like, no! So I texted my boss, letting her know that I tried walking her dogs, but they just didn't want to. And she's like, oh, it's okay. Usually, they do that. So, thanks for trying. So now I know to try to walk the dogs in the rain. And if they're not having it, then I don't walk them. So. And if it's not really raining as hard, then it's probably okay. They wouldn't mind it, because I did that last time, and they went potty because it wasn't really, like, raining. It was kind of, like, sprinkling in a way, so they didn't mind going for a walk. But if it's, like, raining like this, they're like, nope, I'm going back inside because, yeah, it is too cold and I'm not gonna go walk. So, yeah. Alright, guys, I know I said this in my last vlog, so don't hate me. But I need something warm to drink. So I'm gonna go get that. Because if you know what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm talking about. And I told you that I would not mention it, but it is raining. And I need something, like, warm to drink. So, don't judge me. Alright, just don't. I'm addicted. I know I'm not the only one who's addicted. So anyways, gonna go get that. Then I'm gonna head home and figure out what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Cold weather. I'm starting to love it now. It's beginning to feel like winter for sure, so yeah. Okay, so I think I have to be really precise on what I order at Starbucks. I know! I told you guys I would stop complaining about Starbucks, but still, like, I'm addicted. I promise you these vlogs won't consist of me going to Starbucks every time. I promise. I promise. But anyways, yes, went to Starbucks, but I guess I have to be very precise on what I order because I got the gingerbread cream, but they also have it in hot, so instead they gave me a freaking frappuccino. So I guess I have to go in there next time saying, can I get the gingerbread steamer? I guess you can't, like, I guess I have to say, could I get the gingerbread cream steamer instead of the gingerbread cream frappuccino? Oh no, I shouldn't even be drinking anything freaking cold, but I'm gonna drink it. I paid for it. I'm gonna go home and make myself some tea. So, yeah, wow. I really have to be precise on what I get now. Like, oh my gosh, this isn't the first time this happened, so it's whatever. I'll drink it, but I guess I have to be very precise on what I order. Because I wanted the gingerbread cream hot drink, not frappuccino. Ugh, whatever. It happens, I guess. So, alright. I'm on my way home now. Because it is cold, rainy, and yeah. Okay. I'm home. I ate like half my turkey pesto that I got from Starbucks. Normally I don't get these because I try to lay off bread and pasta as much as possible, but I'm hungry and there's nothing really to eat at my house, unfortunately. But yeah, I ate like half of this and I'll probably eat the other half for dinner, I guess. So, oh my gosh, finally came in. Oh, you're probably wondering like, what's in here? So, you guys know, well, most of you know, I am a big fan of Lana Parrilla. Or actually, let me do it this way. A fan of Lana Parrilla. If you guys don't know who that is, she was on a show called Once Upon a Time, and I fell in love with her character, and I fell in love with her. I never, ever had a favorite actress. Ever. Like, there's no actress that is my favorite of all-time favorites. I do have a favorite actor, and that's Johnny Depp. Fell in love with Johnny when I was in junior high, when I saw the Pirates of the Caribbean, and I fell in love with him. So I blame my teacher for that one, because she's a fan of Johnny Depp. Like, she loves him. So then I fell in love with him. But anyways, yeah. But I never, ever had a favorite actress until I saw her on the show. So yeah. I'm a big fan. Big fan. I actually went to go see her in person, and it was amazing. It was so amazing. I actually have a photo that I took with her, so I'll show you right now. See? There's me and there's her. It is, you can tell by my face that I was so nervous. So nervous. She looks so gorgeous and I look kind of stupid, but it's whatever. Yeah, I actually got to meet her. It was so crazy. And then I got this and she signed it. I love that. That's like my favorite dress that she wears. It's like sexy and and stuff. So yeah, she signed it. I kind of ruined it, as you can see right here, when she like signed it freshly. I touched it like a dum-dum. I have another photo of hers which fell, so hold on a second. Here's the other photo. So here's the other photo that I got. It fell. So this was it. Evil boobs! I didn't want her to sign this one because to me I felt like her boobs kind of look a little weird. But I love this one because it's sexy and yeah, evil boobs. Anyways, I don't know where to put this. That one fell. So I'll have to find a place for that. But yeah, so I display them right here. Love her. So yes. On to the main purpose of what this is. So I'm going to open this and explain to you why I'm so excited that I got this. So let's open it. So it's a shirt. It says keeping it regal. Okay, so the meaning of the regal. You're probably wondering, what does that mean? All right, so way back when, Lana tweeted, or someone tweeted her saying, what are you gonna call us? Or what? I guess someone says, what are you gonna call us? You know how most celebrities have names for their fans? Like Lady Gaga she calls her fans monsters. My gosh, who else has like nicknames for their fans? Oh my gosh, I forgot. Or like Justin Bieber's, you have the Believers. For Justin Bieber fans. I know other celebrities have like cute nickname, like a nickname for their fans. So then Lana posted on her Instagram saying, "Alright, I'm gonna call you guys Evil Regals." For like evil as in, you know, her playing the evil queen, and then I don't know what the regal came from, but yeah, so she calls her fans Evil Regals, and so we're known as Evil Regals. So that's what the Regals stand for. So but if you guys didn't know, I collect so what she does, Lana does these charities for, you know, for different companies. So she did 2 other ones, and it was for Face Forward. If you don't know what Face Forward is, it is a organization that helps abused victims with like cosmetic surgery. If their face, you know, is beaten or something like that, this organization helps those people that can't afford plastic surgery because of how bad, you know, their face is, so that they help these poor abused people get surgery. So it's amazing. So she did 2 organizations for that. So I got a sweater, which I'll go grab. I have 2 hoodies, so let me go find them real quick. Alright, so here are both my hoodies. So this was the first one I got when she was doing the campaign for Face Forward. All the money goes towards Face Forward. So she had this one, which is Long Live the Queen, which is based off her character, the Evil Queen, on Once Upon a Time. And then I got another hoodie when she did the Face Forward campaign again. But this time she did a different logo, which is love, hate. You know, love yourself and forget about the hate. or ignore the hate or something like that. So I had to get another hoodie because I love the hoodies. They're just comfortable. So yeah, so buying these go to a great, you know, the money goes to a great organization. So yeah. And then this one, I decided to get a shirt because I wanted a shirt instead of a hoodie. So when she did this fundraiser, oh yeah, sorry, these were both fundraising. Like, all these are fun to, you know, raise money for Face Forward. This one was a different fundraiser. This one was for all the money to go to Puerto Rico because Lana is half Puerto Rican, so she was doing a fundraiser to donate money for those in Puerto Rico to still, you know, build and stuff. So yeah. So yeah, I every time she's coming out with like a t-shirt design, I buy it anyways because I know that money is going to a good cause. And I love the fact that she came out with the Keeping It Regal. This is it, how you go, like, keep it regal. The regal sign. So yeah, I was gonna get another sweater, but it's like, you know what? Every time she does like a fundraising, I always get hoodies, but I decided, you know what? I want a shirt instead because, don't get me wrong, I just don't want to keep collecting hoodies every single time she comes out with something. So, I'm excited. This finally came. Supposedly this was supposed to come tomorrow, but it came early, so I'm quite happy. So yes, I'm so excited. Now I get to wear my Keep It Real shirt. I'm actually gonna I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Wear it tomorrow with a cardigan. Yes. So excited. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys because I was really, because I saw everyone else getting theirs and I'm like, when am I gonna get mine? Like, hello. So, yeah. I think I'm going to clean because my room is such a mess and I have to like organize stuff, so why not organize with me? Because this room is just a mess. Like, I don't want to show you this area. It is so bad. Like, why? So, yeah. Let's get to cleaning. done cleaning somewhat. So I still have to fix my floor and stuff. So I'll show you so far of what I cleaned. Ugh. So I made my bed, so I'll show you my bed right now. I'll show like half my room because the other side is still kind of filthy, so yeah, I'll show you somewhat of a clean room, and somewhat of an organized room. Still have like a mess, stuff I have to like organize, so yeah, I'll show you, but I'll try not to show the floor. So yeah. Alright, so this is like my organizer stuff. I have like a whole bunch of crap in here. I have to organize this another day, but this is a jewelry box, and this is like my collectible stuff. Stuff that I like collect when I go to places. These nail polishes I have to get rid of. Those are nasty. I collect Star Wars stuff. Oktoberfest. I keep my Starbucks cup up here because I have nowhere else to put it. I got this in Vegas, and this I got... Sorry guys, my mom called me, so kind of cut off, but that's what happens when I'm using my phone to vlog. So anyways, so yeah, I collect stuff up there, Star Wars and stuff, and then I collect feathers. Yeah, and then this is my jewelry box. It was kind of a bad idea to put it on here because it's bending the thing. Like, I'll show you. I'm trying not to show you guys my mess on the floor. It's still kind of a mess, but as you can see, this sticks out because the weight of this is not supporting. So anyways, so yeah, so there's that. This was a mess earlier. I know, this is gross. I need to clean it. It's disgusting. I have like makeup and crap like that. But I have my ring holder here. I need to organize this because I have like random like rings. And then what's this? Oh, I went to see the Addams Family at San Diego, and that's a pen. These two are both necklaces. I have to figure out where to put that. That's trash. I need to put that in here. So, all my rings are in here. All my rings, and then earrings, and then more earrings, and then bows. In here are all like necklaces, but I have my necklaces in my bathroom, so yeah. So anyways, these drawers were organized. Like, this is all my hair bands, all my bracelets are in here. I have some necklaces in here too, but mostly all my bracelets and hairbands are in there. And then this drawer is just random crap. I have nail polishes in here. And then I have more bracelets. This is like my junk drawer. Like, yeah, I have a whole bunch of crap in here. And this is my eyeshadow drawer. I have all my eyeshadows. My Urban Decay. These are boxes. Those are boxes. My eyeshadows. Yeah, most of my eyeshadows I keep in here. And then in here I keep all my Bath and Body Works stuff in here. Don't know why this is in here, but yeah, I keep all my Bath and Body Works in here that I get. But it's mostly all stuff for like the season, so shower gels, hand sanitizers, so yeah. And then this drawer has all my hats, my holiday hats for the winter, and then the bottom one is junk. I can't even open it, so yeah. This is my, ignore my fan. I know it's disgusting. I had that forever, but yeah, these are random drawers where I keep all my electronics. Again, sorry for my floor. I need a sweep. It's disgusting. Yeah, so these are all my electronic stuff. These are all random. Oops. These are all random stuff. These go to my Fitbit. I have all different colors. These are where I keep like candles and stuff, or fall stuff that I just got. I had to stash them in here. These are all my teas that I drink. I have a whole bunch. And then this drawer, I just decided to keep all my like medicine that's for workout, like all medicine stuff in here. And then just as you guys saw, I just organized this, so I decided to put a little touch of Christmas in here. So yeah, now that's all organized. If you guys are wondering, this is a fridge. Yeah, ignore the floor, it's disgusting. And then here's my bed, all nice and organized. I'm gonna use that purse. It's perfect for the fall. I mean, yeah, for the fall, for the winter, so yeah. And then I just was organized on this side, but all that side is just, ugh. Gosh, I got really interrupted again. Might have talked about this purse, but yeah, I'm gonna use this purse because it's Christmassy, but yeah. There's that. Okay, I was talking about how this area is a mess and need to clean it. More like organize it. Like I have like random clothes right there. Purses. I have so many purses. I have to go through all that purses and figure out what to donate. I did clean this area. It has so many random like sweaters and clothes and whatnot, and yeah. And then I'm not gonna show you my bathroom because it's disgusting. So yeah, this is a mess. I have to organize this too. Organize that. So yeah, so this is a mess, so ignore that. But anyways, back to the really organized side. So yeah, this is my bed and nice and organized. So yeah. So yeah, sorry about the mess over there. I'm trying not to show my floor because it's also a mess. I have to sweep. It's really disgusting. Yeah. Kind of embarrassed for that side, but I'll show you guys. I'm not perfect when it comes to like stuff being clean, but I do clean. It just takes a while for me, but it does come to the point that I can't stand it and I will clean. Like, I wish I had like OCD, like I'll clean because I don't like how it looks, but I don't. There's come to the point where it will get messy and then it will start bugging me and then I have to clean. So and for some reason on rainy days I feel like cleaning. So yeah, but sorry that I got interrupted. Chris called me and supposedly someone's trying to blackmail him and whatnot. So there goes that. You know, you always have people that try to ruin your relationship, but unless it's like hard proof of what happened at that event or when it happened, or I thought I had a sneeze. So yeah, but I have to go into town. I have to get my mom some stuff, and I might be probably getting myself some Christmas stuff so I could put in my room. I have this Christmas tree that I took. I'll show you right now. So there it is. There's my little Christmas tree. Last year I had my tree here in this area. This area is messy also, but I might as well show you. Messy area. Ignore the cords. I have to figure that out. So yeah, my tree was in this area, or around this area where this plant is. But I decided, you know what? I'm gonna have a little Christmas tree, and I decorated it. This is like my first ornament that I got to put on that little tree that I had, but then I found other ones. These are old ornaments that my mom had for like years, like this snowman, this little guy, this horse she had forever. These are old. Like some of these are like really, really old, but yeah, there's my little Christmas tree. I have to get rid of that and put it somewhere, or let it burn, because that's a pumpkin candle in there. So yeah, there's my little Christmas tree, and I'm listening to Christmas music while I'm cleaning, so yeah. There's my little Christmas tree. So I'm gonna put some clothes on. I have no makeup on whatsoever. Oh, gotta fix this up here. I have like this thing up here where I keep all my sunglasses, but I kind of like lost all my glasses. I have some here, but I keep these sunglasses here. Let me show you. Hi, me. I keep these sunglasses, and these are my glasses here. And then down here are my shoes slash Uggs slash a mess. This is such a mess right now. Like, I need like a shoe organizer because I have so many shoes. I can't organize them in my closet because I have so much shoes in there, and my closet is just dreadful, and yeah, it's a pain in the butt to just open my thing and stuff. So I might have to go find like a shoe rack to put there. I don't know. Soon enough I won't be living here, so yeah, I'll just have to make do for now. But yeah, I'm gonna put some shoes on and go to the store. Okay, you guys. Okay, guys, I just stopped at Major Market. See, there's... God, it's backwards. Hold on a second. There's Major Market. Yes, I just went to Major Market to get some stuff. Yeah, so I had to go to Major Market to get my mom some hats, like Christmas hats. But the ones that they have, they didn't have. Like, she wanted a pink one, and like if they had like a blue one or something like that, but they didn't. But I was happy because I wanted their cheetah one, so here it is. The cheetah print one. So happy that they still have it. So I got 2 of those, and then I got leggings there. I'm like happy that some stores have like clothing. The person probably in front of me is like, what is this chick doing? She's being weird. Make sure I put my... I hate when I do this sometimes. Like, I forget to put like my ID not back in the thing, so yeah. Making sure that I did put it back. Okay, yeah, I did. So how to get some wine for her friend and stuff. Well, yeah, so I had to get hats for her friend, so yeah. But I got leggings. But yeah, as I was saying, I like how some stores have like clothing, which is kind of awesome. Like, not all, you know, grocery stores have like clothing items, which is pretty awesome. But so I know that they had this drink for a while. It's the Mountain Dew Ice. I never had it before. It's diet. That's why I'm drinking it. Normally, I don't drink soda. I only drink soda like here and there. But yeah, okay, so now I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree really quick because I want to get stuff for my bedroom. And then after that, I have to go to Albertsons to get flowers for my mom. And then get dinner, and then probably stop at Rite Aid real quick to get the Kokie lipstick. I just need one of them. Just one. And then I'm heading home. So yeah. You're welcome. You're so cute. You're cute. I got the red one. Let's do it. Get two of these. To put on my TV areas. Oh, let's forget. Oh, they have candy canes. Ooh, hot cocoa. Look at those. They're so cute. Those are good. I bought the mugs here and they're so adorable. I have that one. They're so adorable. Oh, I still have this. Ow, my finger's stuck. I still have the Star Wars one. Is that for my dad? Oh. Where Paw Patrol? Okay. Oh my god, it smells good. They actually have the pine ones. I get the pine. Actually, I might get 2 of those. For the bathroom. Put those in my bathroom. Oh, they don't have their holiday candles yet. Sparkling snowflake. I think they run out of these. Ooh. That smells good. A little different. It's like a fruity scent. Not really a fan of this one. All right.
For the entrees?
For that one, we're gonna do kung pao
And what else?
and mushroom chicken.
And some mushroom chicken as well, please. I have waiting vegetables, mushroom, and black pepper chicken. And for the bowl?
It's gonna be rice.
Fried rice?
White rice.
White rice?
Yes.
For the entree?
That's gonna be the string bean chicken.
What's that?
String bean chicken. Yeah.
Almost done already for you.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so it just got Panda, as you saw. So now my last stop is Rite Aid, because I need to get another Cokie matte lipsticks. I'm obsessed with those lipsticks. So gonna run in there, go grab it, then head home. I know my dad's like, what takes you so long? So yeah. Alright, gonna get that and head home. Okay guys, I am home and I decorated my room somewhat Christmassy. It has like a little bit of Christmas, so I still have to get some stuff, but for now it has a little hint of Christmas, so I'll show you. So I got this little guy. Isn't he cute? And then got the hat. That looks cool. Already showed you that. But, oh, ignore the mess. So I got this, which now looks like somewhat Christmassy now. And then I decided to hang my Star Wars hat and hang this stocking. So, yeah, somewhat Christmassy. And then in my bathroom, I'll show you. It's dark. I'm sorry. And then in my bathroom, let there be light. And then in my bathroom, I decided to do this. So I decided to display this and this. This is so cute. It says, "Have a cup of cheer." Oh, so cute. Since I do my videos, I decided to have this displayed because, ignore the mess, but when I do my videos, it's mostly focused on that side, so I decided to, you know, decorate a little bit right here. I put the candle right here because I do not want it here. I'm afraid it might spill or fall or something, so for now it's gonna be there, but when I do my videos, it will be like up here. Like right there. But for now, it's gonna stay there, so there's that. Probably chewing my gums so loud, I apologize. Oh, and to give it the most awesome touch, there's this. If you guys didn't know, I have lights on my bed. So that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. So yeah, Christmas cheer, loving it. That is my day. So I'm gonna close the vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed my day today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.